In medieval Europe, animals could actually be found guilty in a court of law. Imagine a pig standing trial for murder or a rooster accused of laying an egg. These bizarre scenarios were part of a legal system that treated animals as if they were humans. These trials were no joke. They involved legal proceedings complete with prosecutors, defense attorneys, and sometimes even witnesses. The stakes were high, often resulting in severe punishments like execution if the animal was found guilty. The reasoning behind this peculiar practice was rooted in the belief that animals, like humans, could be possessed or influenced by the devil. By holding them accountable in a court of law, communities felt they were upholding divine and earthly justice. It was a way to address societal fears and superstitions, by showing that even the animal kingdom was not immune to the rule of law. These trials were public spectacles, drawing large crowds who were eager to see what verdict would be passed on a non-human defendant. One famous case involved a pig in 1386 France that was accused of killing a child. The pig was dressed in human clothes and paraded through the streets before being executed. This wasn't an isolated incident. Records show that pigs were frequent defendants, often charged with infanticide or damage to property. The absurdity of such trials highlights how deeply entrenched superstition and the fear of the unknown were in medieval societies. These strange trials eventually faded away, but they leave behind a fascinating glimpse into a world where the lines between human and animal were blurred in the eyes of the law. Today, it sounds like something out of a fable, but back then, it was a serious affair that captivated communities and reflected their complex relationship with both law and superstition. This bizarre chapter of history serves to remind us of the evolving nature of justice and the ever-changing boundaries of our societal norms.